In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add watermark in LibreOffice Writer. A watermark is that faint text you see in the background of a page, perfect for labels like draft or confidential, or simply to brand a document. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add one, customize it so it looks professional, and keep your content easy to read. Start by launching LibreOffice Writer and opening the document you want to protect or label. Give the document a moment to load fully so menus and toolbars are ready. If you're working within a specific section, click where you're editing or highlight the relevant text so you're oriented in the right place. The watermark will apply to the entire document, but this quick click helps you keep track of what you're doing as you set it up. Next, head to the top menu and open the Format menu. From there, choose Watermark. This opens a dialog that controls how the watermark looks and behaves. In the text field, type the word or phrase you want to appear, such as draft, confidential, internal, or your organization's name. Keep it short and clear. Long phrases can get cluttered across the page. Now, customize it so it's readable but subtle. For the font, pick something clean and legible. Sans serif fonts often work best because they're easy to recognize even when faint and slanted across the page. For the angle, the default of 45 degrees is a good standard. It slices diagonally across the page, stays visible behind paragraphs, and feels familiar to readers. Set the transparency so your document remains easy to read. A range between about 50 and 75% usually strikes the right balance. Visible enough to convey status, but light enough not to compete with your main text. If your document is dense or uses smaller fonts, lean toward the higher end of that range. For color, choose something light, like a soft gray or a muted red. Lighter colors are less distracting in print and on screen, and they reproduce more consistently across different printers. When you're happy with the preview in the dialog, click OK to apply the watermark. LibreOffice Writer applies it to every page in the document automatically, including new pages you add later. Take a quick look through a few pages and, if possible, check Print Preview to make sure the watermark looks consistent. If you need to adjust the font, angle, transparency, or color, just return to Format. Select Watermark again and tweak your settings. That's all there is to it. Simple, clean, and professional.